Hi guys, it's Kate here, and I'm here with my Retinol Vitamin C Cream, and we did something really special with this one. Vitamin C and retinol are the two most powerful ingredients for skin transformation. So these are the divas of skincare, and everyone told me that we couldn't put them together, but we figured out a way. We were able to encapsulate 100% pure vitamin C in volcanic soil. Also, the retinol is time released. So if you have sensitive skin, this is the perfect formula for you because you're not applying a big amount. It's slowly going in and you're getting the results without the downtime. So where this fits into your program is you're gonna cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate with Dermal Quench, and then you're gonna follow with the retinol vitamin C at night, and then you're gonna head off to bed. Because it does have retinol, make sure you have a sunscreen for the next day. Brightening, fine lines and wrinkles, texture, elasticity, these are all the things that really help with this product.